Thank you very much. Please give me your very best, and I'll be more than glad to give you all my other businesses, because it's confusing when we have many people handling things.
Yes.
It's better to give everything to one and same person. It's easier to work like that.
Definitely.
Thank you very much for your time.
You understand, business is not easiest thing. If we only run ads and if we just wait for sales, it will not be happened. It's not a magic.
Yeah.
We need to use proper strategy, and we need to show the right creatives to right audience. Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm doing good. This will be our new project, so definitely need to discuss something.
No problem.
I believe
Go ahead.
text is not comfortable.
Oh.
Yeah, because text comfortable, but it takes time, so much time. Okay, so I have some questions to you. You already mentioned that it is your new business, and you have very new Facebook page. Is this correct, right?
Exactly.
And you don't have any pixel installation.
No, nothing.
But when you mention pixel, so I believe you understand the importance of Facebook pixels.
This is why I mentioned it to you.
Yeah.
Because I know this is very important, and I didn't install it.
Yes, because without pixel, if you run ads, it's called blind marketing.
Yeah, I know. This is why I said it to you right away.
Yeah.
One of the first thing I told you is there's no pixel.
Yes. Already checked. You are right. My second question is, you have business manager?
I think I do. The page is brand new. I think I do. I can share the screen with you if you want. I opened the Facebook page.
Yeah, definitely. If you share the screen, I can understand. Share the screen, please.
I think I did. Wonderful. Is it working?
Yeah, you are sharing your screen.
Okay, so now let's go. Here is the Facebook page, as I told you, brand new.
Yes.
I don't know if there is everything you need. I don't think so, but
can I take no problem? Can I take your?
Yeah, of course. Take your time.
What is the mouse to take action? Maybe there is no option to take mouse. No problem. Your right side have Ad Manager tab, and left side have Gmail, Facebook tab.
Yeah, because but I don't think it's the right business.
Yes, that's what I need to say. Yes, and click the three dot. Left side three dot.
Okay.
Yes, three dot. You have
three.
Yes, three all tools. Yes, click all tools. Yes.
Tools. Okay.
And click business setting.
Business settings. Okay. That's another business. Oh no! I hate when they ask me to verify the account. They always do that.
This is your first business also?
No. I have other businesses.
Oh. All are from Shopify dropshipping?
No, that's my first dropshipping website. The others are handmade, homemade. And I also have another website that is not ready yet, but it's marketing affiliation, Amazon.
Oh, okay, Amazon.
Yeah. Finally, I got the code. And I think I had to put it here.
Yes.
Thanks for confirming. Okay, that's another business.
Okay.
And there isn't the business we are looking for, so maybe there's no page.
But when it's taking MetaSuite, we need to business setting again. Left side?
Yeah.
Just little bit left.
Yeah.
Yeah, then go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, click there. And change. Looks, just don't click. Maybe this is your name, right?
Yes, that's the name of the person handling the other business account.
Yeah, and I see you have just one business portfolio, the Oriental Harvard. It's another business, right?
Exactly.
So I will suggest you create a new business for this Shopify and create a new ad account.
Okay.
So you can see there is option create business portfolio.
Yes, I was going to click on it before I called you, but I was like, okay, I'm going to wait for him. I'm not sure if it's the right
Yeah, you
thing
can.
to do.
I can help you. No problem. Just click.
Okay,
Yeah,
so.
and give the
Oh, it does.
yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, click next.
Add another person by email.
No, yes, you can send it to me as well as.
Could you send me your.
Yes, check your chat box.
There we go. Chat. Okay.
The Zoom chat box.
I'm there.
You understand, business is not easiest thing. If we only run ads and if we just wait for sales, it will not be happened. It's not a magic.
Yeah.
We need to use proper strategy, and we need to show the right creatives to right audience.
Yeah.
So we need a great first time. We should pick up one or two best product. I saw you have a lot of products, but for every product you need a lot of budget to run ads. So we
Yeah.
should focus the best product. Okay,
Of course.
best two or one or two products. So have you already selected your winning? It's called winning product. Have you any winning product?
To be honest, I have 30 products on it, so I don't know which one are the winning products because it's a brand new website. But I have 4 promotional videos. I don't know if you need them.
You can send it to me. You can send it to me.
Yeah.
This videos. No problem. So that I can check who is on. Also, we need great creatives, the video creative, because right now image is not enough for converting customer,
Okay.
and mostly for the dropshipping product.
Yeah.
If you have a good creatives, it's possible to generate sales. So there is two way to make creatives. One is hire someone who can edit or who can make creative for you, or we can take creatives from like Instagram or TikTok.
Okay. So we need someone who is going to post creative things. That's what you
Yeah.
mean, right?
Yeah,
Content.
yeah, because a lot of businessmen, they think, no, I will not take any video creatives from others. I will hire someone who can create, who can voice over for my product. So interesting way. So they create. Someone tell, no, I have lot of budget, so please try to take some creatives from others.
If you know someone who can help on that, with pleasure. If you have a name, someone who is trustworthy.
I think I can recommend it in Fiverr. I have not personally knows anyone, but yeah, if you told, I can research in Fiverr who are creating UGC. It's called UGC content creator, like
Okay.
1 minute short. So we will send just product link and they will create. But definitely
Very well.
need interesting video. Also, if you want, I can research some videos for you in TikTok. What I do for my other clients, I researched a lot of interesting creatives, and I took from them. And the creatives, like, you cannot understand which creative is that. It will look very very clean. So I can research something if you want.
Okay, I'll send you my videos, and if you need more, we can. You can, if you want to look for more, we can do that.
Yes,
No
yes.
problem.
If you just send me your video, also I'll research from my side.
No problem.
And
I'll send you my videos, and you'll tell me what you think about it. And
Yes,
if
yes,
there's more
definitely.
being needed, no problem.
Yeah, definitely. And looks, you are very helpful. It's really helpful for me.
No problem.
Number 3 is to create pixel. Already I got your business manager access. I also need there is 2 options to create Facebook pixel. One is using apps, Shopify apps.
Yeah.
One is data layer, like manual system. So yeah, I am giving Facebook pixel setup like using Shopify apps under my premium packages.
I was going to order the premium one, don't worry. And I think, if I'm not being wrong, I think I installed Facebook on the Facebook app on Shopify. I don't know if you see what I mean.
Yeah, but it's still
You can, of course, but I'm just mentioning it. Maybe it's easier for you, or I don't know.
Yeah. That's why I told you. No problem. I can do it. Okay. So that's it. I got your access, and if I need Shopify access, I will let you know
Okay, no problem.
in the requirement box. So now you can order.
Thank you very much. Please give me your very best, and I'll be more than
Definitely.
glad to give you all my other businesses because it's confusing when we have many people
Yeah.
handling things.
Yes.
It's better to give everything to one and same person. It's easier to work like that.
Definitely.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
to join with me.
Have a nice evening.
Thank you.